Welcome back to Leftovers with Annie, the show where each week I receive a mystery product from Ace and I need to figure out how to use it in my home.
And don't forget, click that subscribe button so you're not missing out on any of these projects.
I am back in my garage enjoying this wonderful weather. Let's see what's in the bag this week. Ace Premium Paint and Primer Spray Paint in navy. This spray paint works on all kinds of surfaces. I just took down blinds from the garage. They were all grimy and dusty. I was going to throw them out, but I bet this spray paint will give it a whole new look. Let me go grab them. I went ahead and used these clamps to fully extend the blinds. Let's get spraying. Make sure you have a door open or spray paint outside. I let these vinyl ones soak in a tub of warm soapy water for 30 minutes and then hung them to dry. Hold the can 6 to 8 inches from the surface of the blinds and spray in a sweeping motion side to side with a slight overlap. Apply multiple thin coats and wait a minute between each. Use the wand to help open up the blinds to reach different areas. Just make sure you spray from different angles to completely cover. After letting the color dry for 20 minutes, we'll apply a clear top coat. This will offer added protection. Let dry for 24 hours before hanging back up. Look at that, I saved those blinds from the landfill and I gave them an all new personality for my garage. I want you to inspire me with your leftover paint ideas. So make sure you use the hashtag #TheHelpfulPlace, and maybe I'll use your idea for my next project. Keep watching for another great episode of Leftovers with Annie.